So this is the Eonon PX30. Had it for about 3 years now. It runs on Android 9. Has bugs. But before I upgrade, I want to try and see if I can get it to work with Android Auto. Eonon has said there's a dongle that they sell that will help do that. So I have the dongle with me. This is the package it came in. The package doesn't say anything about Eonon, but inside, so that's the dongle that will hopefully help me get Android Auto on the device, because Android Auto doesn't come natively supported with this. This runs Android 9. The dongle comes, oh, that's a dongle model number A0585 with clear instructions on how to use it. Very graphic instructions. I mean, anybody can understand. So I have a USB cable. You need a phone, so that end will connect to my phone, and then that goes into the dongle. So the dongle needs to be connected to the USB side. The unit comes with several USB cables. This is some of the, so there's one. So let's connect to one of these. It has two. So just want to show you more about it. That's the PX30. Oops, copyright. So that's the dongle. It has there's a side you connect to your phone. There's a side you connect to the unit, your head in your Android unit, the Eonon Android unit. So let's get connecting. There it's connected, and then this side into the phone. Connected, and then now this side to the phone. It's the phone I'm using to film, so I don't know how I'll do this. So my phone is running Android 12, which doesn't require much setup. It's already pre-configured to handle Android Auto. So immediately you connect, it gives you the options. So I'll select, I hope you can actually see this. I'm not too sure about the quality of my camera. Select Android Auto. Oh, there's an APK I need to download. So let me download that first. I created a hotspot on my phone, and now it's connected to the system. So that's what it's downloading now. So after downloading, get that prompt. So yes, install. Okay. I'll open it now. Install. Oh. Okay. Okay. So now, connecting. Immediately after installing the APK, connecting the phone to the USB through the dongle. It's still connected there. So that's what it is. Continue. Let's see. I'm learning all this as to do it. It's not like I'm a pro or anything. Or it immediately loads maps. Oh, much better UI. Much better. Let's see. It shows up. Man. Looks so nice. looks so nice. Like it loads up all the sort of like apps that you'd use regularly on your home screen. That's the weather like right now, 22 Celsius. The time is there. Oh, this is so good. I'd actually thought of ditching this unit to get something that is more modern, but I think I'll keep it for a while. I've had it for 3 years. A lot of things have changed. This runs Android 9. Other units around running Android 11, but I think it will be useful for a longer time now. Now that I have Android Auto in here. So the autoplay app icon there. So click on it. Okay, it's on Spotify at the moment. Maps. Maps is set to Google Maps. I think there's a way you can select which app you want to use as default for maps. I've set Google Maps. But there's that black screen. I don't know why it's doing it. Yeah, but anyway, I'll need to find a way of setting up Hey Google. Hey Google, please open Spotify.
Opening Spotify. By the way, next time you can also press and hold the mic button on your steering wheel to ask me anything.
You hear the way it cut off the last sort of like half second of the audio from Google Assistant. That's a thing that this device has. Like even when giving instructions on Google Maps, it cuts out the last second or half second. So that's a bug that the unit has. Yep. Hey Google, give me the quickest route to work.
Your work is 34 minutes from your location by car and light traffic.
Okay. That's cool. Yep. So, yep. Works well. Works very well, I think. So if there's anything you'd like to know maybe about my experience, just hit me up, send me a comment, then I'll share what my experience is with this unit, with this dongle that allows me to finally have Android Auto on my Auto using my Android. Tudum-tish.